Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today is gonna be like a quick one. I'm going to be unboxing with you guys my skincare products from Cerave. Most of the products here is gonna be like the first time I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be showing you guys as well my current skincare product that I'm using from Cerave as well, and the reason why I added like new product. So stay tuned, let's unbox it together guys.
Wanna make it till morning.
This is all the product that I ordered. First of all, let's start with this one. This is a Cerave moisturizer. This is the current moisturizer that I'm using right now since 2 months now. I can remember last time I did a video about the other product that I was using. At the end of the day, I find out that it was really not good for me. So since then, I've been using this product and it has been so amazing. The next product is facial moisturizer, and this is a night cream. So the one that I was using before got finished, that's why I went ahead and bought this one. The next product is Acne Control Gel. They wrote it in Dutch, so I'm just translating it to you guys because this product is like they just launched it here in Germany. It has not been too long but in US, UK, this product had been there like God knows how long. They just launched it, I think, is it last month or last 2 months here in Germany. This is Acne Control Gel, and it has 2% salicylic acid, which I'll be using before. Like this one is also salicylic acid, and the percentage of it, they didn't wrote it, so people were kind of confused. So we don't really know the percentage of salicylic acid that is in there, but this one is so obvious. It's 2%. That's why I went ahead and bought it. Okay, the next product that I'm going to be showing you guys is this Acne Control Gel. It contains as well 2% of salicylic acid. Okay, this helps for pimple, acne and all that. So I'm going to be using it together with the cleanser after I'm done cleaning my face with the Acne Control cleanser. So I'm going to apply this one. The next product is Cerave Resurfacing Retinol Serum. The active ingredient in this cream is retinol, and you know that retinol helps to reduce the post-acne mark, and as well as it reduces the effect of sun damage. So it's very good for acne as well as pimple, whitehead and all that. Okay, yeah, so the reason I added all these products, especially this one here, okay, this one here, is because of my acne. Since I was a teenager, I've been battling with acne, pimple and all that. Before, I don't really care about skincare routine, but to be honest, since I have started my skincare routine, I have seen like a massive change on my skin. Like seriously, I can't believe that my skin can be a little bit like this, smooth. All these products have been helping, especially this salicylic acid, okay, which we don't really know the percentage of salicylic acid in it, but this one now is very sure that it's 2%, which I believe that's gonna help my acne. Definitely, I'm not going to be using it like every time because it contains like 2% salicylic acid, which is not advisable to use like every day. So in between, I'm going to be using like this, okay, this foaming cleanser. I'm going to be using it in between. Any day that I'm not using this one, this is my next alternative. Okay, this is my next cleanser that I'm going to use. This is just a normal cleanser. Okay, this is all the product from Cerave that I'm going to be using. One of these days, I'm going to show you guys my morning and night routine so that you guys will see how I'm using all this product. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.